G'day guys, welcome back to another episode of A Gambled Life. On this episode, we're out in Corey's shed working on his LSPatrol build. Are they legal?
Got a two-tongue weight from my hairline to my backbone, and it's dragging me around that I don't listen. All your critics are red, mind your own business. That's right.
Just before I start giving Corey a hand, I thought I'd tell you a little bit about the build. Corey's Patrol is a 2006 Series 4 GU Patrol. It started life with a ZD30. Unlike other engine conversions, there was actually nothing wrong with this motor. He just wanted something a little more spicy. And that spicy motor is a 6.2 litre LS3 V8 out of a VF Commodore. The LS is paired up to a 6L80, a 6-speed auto, utilising a Marks adapter kit to bolt up the Patrol transfer case. The Marks adapter kit came with the engine mount so he could slap it in the engine bay. The kit also comes with an alternator and aircon pump relocation bracket. This is so you can fit a power steering pump kit to the motor due to the fact that the VF Commodore comes with electric assist steering. There is honestly so much more I can tell you what Corey's already done, but this virtually gets us up to speed on why I'm here. So enough talking, let's get to it.
In today's episode, we're fitting a stainless muffler in Corey's Patrol.
The reason for doing this is because this car is going to get fully engineered for this conversion and it's got to pass emissions.
Are they legal? Can I put that in the video?
Yeah, you put it in video. The engineer knows about it.
Hey,
You said it's all flight.
as mufflers come, they do not just bolt straight in, so we've got to join it up within the rest of the exhaust system. So let's get the welder out and get to it. So we've got some stainless bends to join it all up. So I'll cut these down and we'll start fitting them. We're in Corey's shed. We don't have all the tools, but we'll still make this work. This will just show you can do all this stuff in your own shed at home with a few hand tools and you can still get good results. And a hoist. Nah, you don't need a hoist. Handy tip when you're cutting pipe, wrap a cable tie around it, which will give you a straight line around the tube to follow. I want a guard on this grinder. We've got the last section cut, so it'll bend through the muffler. Another tip with these cable ties, allow you to actually mark where you want to cut them. So a handy tip for you if you're doing this stuff at home. Just about to destroy Corey's warranty on his new muffler. We're going to cut the end off it. Here goes nothing. Oh, bugger! I've done it in the wrong spot!
He's spewing.
Damn it! We avoid warranties here. Hey, I did say in the video using whatever I've got in the shed, so it's your tool at the moment. That's all I can say. It does. Oh, not, yeah, I've got blades over there. It's only it's a 115. It's a 115. It's a, yeah.
Famous here. Someone's effort to get famous.
We leave guards on for that reason. 80% of the tendon cut. Learn from experience. I was cutting the fill neck of the Triton that gripped up, and my hand was like well over away from it, and it's gone whoosh, straight over the top. Let's see if I didn't muck up.
Holy fuck. I'm wrecked.
Oh, nice. So we've got all the sections cut. Now it's time to weld it all in. Yes, welding with stainless, it is a lot neater to weld with a TIG, but I've just got a MIG at home. I did go out and buy some stainless wire to do this job. Helps when you got the welder on. We're just going to put a tack each side and we'll take this section out. Now that that's all tacked in, we'll pull this muffler out and we'll weld it out on the bench. Well, that sucks. My old SIG welder decided to die while we're trying to do this. But we got the muffler done. That's going to do it for this episode, guys. There will be more episodes on Corey's Patrol in the future, as there is still wiring, putting the radiators in it, and sure enough, I'll be there for the first start. I've also lined up another build for the channel where I'll be helping out the Swamp Rat 4x4 team to get their winch truck ready for the ultimate 4x4 challenge event at Broken Hill. But that is an upcoming video to come out in the future, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can keep up with all these builds going on. Thanks for watching, on to the next one.